How do you help people? Oh, that's so sweet.
Someone's scaring me. Anastasia Nomoto.
Who was that girl who attacked you, bro?
No, I don't know.
Wasn't it her?
I don't know. They're carrying me. What in the Yuri? Yuri. Yay.
I wish I had more codes. Yo, someone hit me.
Where are you?
Oh, she only hit me though. Wait, this girl's avatar is so cool.
Where?
Her uniform is different.
Where the
Here,
fuck
outside.
are you?
I'm outside. Where we were earlier.
Wow.
No, she's so cool.
You can
Here
change
I
man
get.
ata. Oh, sige, change natin.
Oh, she's European, I think.
Oh,
Her
maybe you
name
have
is
to change your ethnicity.
Yeah, but it's only 1%. Like that's kind of a waste of money and time.
Huh? What do you mean?
Cause to get more rerolls without codes, kay you have to Robux. Let's fight people.
Once lang ba pwede mag-reroll ng ethnicity?
No, no, it's the same as every other thing. Like
Okay, let me
you can
change.
reroll as many.
Doesn't feel that. Oh, so like Japanese is like the 95%.
Yeah, everything else is 1%. Hello,
Who's fighting me?
it was that guy.
Yawa ka. Yawa ka. Oh, lolo,
Hello.
lolo!
Hoy, 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 magkakampi
Oy,
tayo.
sige.
Hoy. What was his name? What was his name?
Ito,
Let's
ito,
fight
ito,
him.
ito.
Ito.
Hello?
Oh, not that girl, not that girl, not that girl. This guy. Bitch.
Isa siya. Yawa ka.
Oh my gosh!
Yawa.
Cheese, ha? Tangina mo, cheese, ha?
Yawa ka. Yawa
Ika dito?
ka. Samukay ka, ha?
You wanna fight us? You wanna fight us?
Dito pa siya pumunta. Oh!
Why are we fighting each other? Oh, sorry. No, don't help him. Don't help him. Bitch.
Oh, jowa niya yan,
No.
te.
Ayun, go. Aray! Ba't ako?
Pansin. Oh, lolo.
Papansin ka talaga.
Kaning lalaki. Kani. Yung blue scarf. You tried helping him, ha?
Oh, magkagabi kayo ha. Boyfriend mo yan.
Oh, ay,
Ala,
sorry.
Ala, di na ako makaron because you hit me. Go.
Wait, bakit may nag-confess dito?
Hello? May nag-confess. Hello?
Hoy!
Well, sumbaganay. Stop hitting me.
Sige.
Why were you helping?
Fuck you.
Eh, tama na. Hala, my legs. Hala, my leg. May Tomodachi. I passed out.
Oh my fucking god, I passed out. Sorry, be. Let him go.
Ang uy! Ano ka ba?
Bes! Bes!
Be!
Okay ka lang, Bes?
Ewan ko rin.
Uy, hala.
Be, wrong person, be. Tabangi ko, be. Gawa ka
Let's go to the
talaga.
clinic! Let's go to the... Hala.
Ang sakit.
Hala. Just random. Asan man? Lolo. Bakit may dugo dito? We literally chased him down, bro.
Legit.
Wait, what's this? What's
Ano
this?
yan?
May na-drop na gamit. Who's fighting? Hi. Wait, can you buy here? Oh my gosh, you can! I want milk tea. Okay, done. Something went wrong with the purchase. Whatever, girl.
May put me down.
Okay na? Hala.
Oh, yeah, okay.
Wait, let me
Wait, let's buy a
reroll.
drink. Let me buy a drink.
Okay. Let me reroll my yes. I wanna be European. Like. Mag-stop ako ng 3 reroll. Uy.
Where's the guy again?
Yung
The one that we...
Uy, sorry, be. Asan siya?
Ayun. Ala, that's the wrong person. Asan na siya?
Yawa siya. You know?
Hindi.
Diba?
Chris yung name niya. Chris. When we find you... Ayoko talaga sa mga Chris. Lahat ng mga Chris problematic. Like in a legit way.
I wanna change my hair. Hold on. Hair. What the hell? Oh, wait. Bagay to sa akin.
MJ, you have a mole under your eye.
Wow. Face ID. Baka pangit.
What does that mean? Oh, like yung face, no? That's how I got my Gyaru makeup.
Get it. What's this? Why am I looking that way? Oh, wait. Do I look nice?
Ew!
I
No,
look so
reroll.
fucking bad. Okay.
Why are you sticking your tongue out?
Goni. What the hell?
Kapangit.
Wait, it's him! It's him!
OMG, it's a guy! It's a guy!
It's him!
Babong!
Okay, I'm under the stairs. I'm gonna change my makeup. Cause what the hell? Wait, I got a Gyaru! Oh,
Ayun!
cute!
Bro, ginaanan niya ako. Wait, he's here sa taas. Pinakataas. Go here. Pinakataas. Na siya sa pinakataas. Go!
I'm going!
I'm getting defeated right now.
Ay, iba. Asan ka, te?
Hindi nakataas yung roof.
Kaya nga, asan
Rooftop,
ka?
bitch. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna die.
Ayun.
He's hitting me. Oh my gosh. Go. I'll block.
Uy, takot siya sa akin.
Yeah, kasi boxing sa'yo eh.
Girl,
dare
that's a
you?
random girl. Bro.
Wrong person. Hello, wrong person. Sorry. Wrong person. Girl. Sorry na. Oh my gosh. Bro, where'd you go? He's fight.
Go.
Wait, I thought you were a random girl. I was gonna ano. Big girl, you hit me.
Ayaw siya. Visit pa. Sige, go. Fuck you.
Why am I in first person?
Ewan ko sa'yo, te.
Ayun, go.
Pangit kayo siya. Like, what the fuck?
Wait, the girl is helping us from earlier again.
Saan ka?
Nasa CR. Him. Don't help him. Nice.
Uy, ulo.
Hey, why is she fighting us?
Why is she fighting you? Ayaw.
I hit you by accident. Oh my gosh.
Ayaw.
Go. Oh my god. No, Shy. You're gonna die.
I'm not. No. I fucking ano.
Did you hear her?
Yeah, I died. Fuck her, bro. Let's fight that bitch. Oh my gosh. That fucking bitch. She fucking pissed
The
me
girl who
off.
helped me is hugging me.
She fucking
Leave me
pissed me off.
Bro, honestly,
Where's that fucking girl?
Let's jump her.
She literally carried me kanina and then mag-ano lang siya.
I see her.
Fight her.
First floor. Go first floor.
Why are they having a class? Wait, someone's here. Hey!
Wrong person.
Sunsen! Hey!
She's running around.
How do you even do the boxing? I wanna learn it. Oh,
Go. Wrong person.
Sige.
Why am I fighting that
Sige,
thing?
fight me.
Okay. Wait, I don't know why I keep fighting. Dude, I keep attacking air. If I enter combat, I'm gonna attack air. Ayun. Oh, girl, help me. Help me! Ay, sorry. Sorry, man. Sorry. Oh my god. Stop hugging me.
Lalo, sige go. She's running away.
Girl, get her, get her. I'm gonna pass out if I run.
Fuck you, Sha. Unbothered. Oh my gosh! Like, why are we putting our leg up?
Hoy, nakaskirt ka, babe.
Kaskat ba aha? Gyaru. Cha kawaii. She's literally watching us there. Oh, hey.
That girl again. So pretty.
Tara. Hoy, dito tayo.
Wait, I'm eating.
Pasok ka. This guy's fighting.
Let's go.
Gyaru. Cha kawaii. Sit beside him. Sit beside him.
Okay.
Beside!
Ah.
Oh, sige, di ako na.
Dali ka, dali ka na. Buti
Ay!
Anastasia ba eh? Awa, good.
Siya
Hala,
nasad?
galit siya, galit siya.
Siya nasad?
Were you mad? Were you mad?
She's running away again.
Leave her be because she's running away.
Oh my
Hello?
gosh, she's fighting me. She's fighting me. She's fighting me. Oh my gosh, they're jumping on her.
There's like 2 fights happening right now. Madamay ako sa fight nila.
Sige. Hello. Hello. Kill her.
Tabangi ko!
No, I'll get hit, bro. Just do it on yun.
Wait, wait!
See, go, go, go.
Sit down. Go, go. How do you kill her? How do you kill her? Hala, sorry. Uy, my voice.
Ay, yawa ka.
Hala, sorry! Sorry! Sorry, B. How do you kill her? Thanks.
Ay, sino yun? Hey. Ay, kala ko babae.
May help. Yeah, akala ko rin. Like, matangkad lang na babae. Ayun na. Ayun na.
Emo.
Girl, where did you get those headphones?
I don't know. I picked it up. Help! How do
Okay,
you
it's
drop
under-
it?
Wait,
How the fuck do you drop
me too. Me too.
How do you drop it?
Wait,
Hello.
she's back.
Sige, kaya mo man.
Woo! Hindi.
Hello, may nag-join.
Alas, joiners talaga. Wait, gina-help niya si Anastasia, be. 2v2? 2v2 nga? Tara. 2v2.
Ayun! Te!
Ay! Tabangi ko! Are you just watching?
This guy. Cause I'll get hit.
Nga, ako'y labot.
Eh di mamatay ako, be.
Girl, pero like, mataas pa man health mo.
I don't care.
Oh, diba?
Go, guys.
Wait, bro, my screen is getting red.
This guy again.
I pass out. Go. Oh my gosh. Shy.
This
Bye, I'm dead.
fucking guy.
Girl. Get her. How do you kill people? Girl, kill her. Do the final blow.
How?
I don't know how also.
Ewan ko eh. Papansin. Lo. Ito rin. Yawa ka.
Ayun, I did it.
How?
Ano, once they're down kay
Don't fight that guy.
kay
He's fighting me.
UB.
You.
Nawa ka, ha? Hala. Where am I aiming? Hala!
Put siya.
Mali. Papansin ka talaga, B. Papansin yarn.
Pansin.
Oh, he's running now.
Sige.
Sige, go.
Giere.
Uy, tabangi daw ko. Uy, I'm low health. Girl, I'm low health. Go.
Me too.
Oh, my screen is red.
Ako nga rin. Bullshit man ko siya. Oh,
It's
sige,
okay.
sige, I'll kill you. I'll kill you. Uy, basketball tayo.
Pansin. Ayun. Oh, he's following me. Let's play basketball.
Tingnan mo ko.
Sorry, I can't. Wait lang, magsumbaga na yung sa me. Hello, wait. I'm dead. Ayun. Help! Abang!
Why is he fucking...
Tabangi ko.
Yawa ka. Oh, sige. He's fighting again. Papansin ka ayo. Baby girl, help us.
Na? I'm down.
Girl, the blonde girl help you. Why is he killing?
Oh, he's fighting you. Oh, I'm dead. One hit and I'm dead. Papansin yan sila dalawang.
Sige, mag-leave na ta. Bahala ako ni Gakura na ni.
The boxing game is better.